So up in Eerwah Vale on the Sunshine Coast, we've got Mount Eerwah there and Mount Kuroy. Young Luke, who is a IT professional, has built this pretty much himself with a little bit of help. He had to get up a long, windy dirt driveway using that ute and trailer. So there's a will, there's a way. Beautiful location. The house has been designed to suit the location. Best record of beautiful aspects, beautiful views, difficult site, but you can see the results. It's still got a few finishing off touches to do. It's at a flame zone, it's at a high wind zone, but this place is going nowhere. It's using axon cladding. The majority of the places, it's basically 2 pavilions connected by a breezeway. And hopefully it's not too much further before you can move in completely. But literally everything has been driven up the driveway piece by piece, just with one person. So he's had a little bit of help doing a couple of trusses. But other than that, everything's been done for himself. Well done, Luke.